I know, Jeremy has selected here.
Jeremy, don't hurt yourself. We kind of need you.
I'm very sad.
You don't have liability insurance.
Oh no!
We could
liability up here,
but we didn't. We had the opportunity to buy it, but we didn't.
Bad choice.
We didn't need it for this venue, so.
I noticed also 2 people turn their back to the audience at cross. It's fine, I think, when Elbow does it. Very short.
Elbow can do it only.
Once.
Elbow's not bound by traditional theater rules.
No, let's understand.
Elbow only has to be pointing his elbow to the audience.
Exactly, all times. This is actually where my brain is.
Elbow, do you want to do the lean away from the audience or to them?
I
Because it's kind of hard to see.
Oh, really? Okay.
Right.
Yeah, definitely gotta
Who will not remember that?
Don't make me laugh on this.
What's up?
I'll make you laugh during that scene.
No.
No, that's Act 4.
If you'll have to offer up some other tribute, because I require the laughs to feed.
Provost got scores on me. Fucking Provost.
This is a fun game. You look like
No, what got me was just like, here's.
Hello,
11. Exactly.
11, sir.
God damn you.
That's the funniest anyone's ever told me the time.
There's no good place for it.
You're like your tick lines on the Yeah, I know. That was the goal.
There was at least once, probably more, where just writing the score made you laugh more than they did.
I know. There was that one, but I gave it to.
Oh, I like it. You can do
I think I gave it. I don't remember who I gave that.
Yeah, and I could,
You didn't do the like movement people though.
I didn't know where to go with it exactly.
You gotta do like the sorority girl swap.
I think so.
Everybody now. We should totally have some call responses.
Standard constable, for our photos.
Alright, scene 2. Get set.
I want to know what stuff is here, but I see no stuff here.
Yeah, no, I have it. I didn't know. Okay, yeah. No, we
Roll me in.
Yeah, because you come back out. Stuff is drag you off.
Oh heavens, what stuff is here?